Hello everyone. So let us discuss about kingdom fungi. If we talk about different classes of fungi, there are four classes: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. There are four classes of kingdom fungi. So Phycomycetes are the fungi which are algae-like fungi. Study of fungi is called mycology, and uh, study of algae is called phycology, and study of fungi is called mycology. Okay, so Phycomycetes are fungi like algae like fungus. Okay, so if we talk about Phycomycetes, its habitat, कहाँ रहते हैं ये, where it is found. So these are aquatic, decaying wood in and in moist and damp places. Basically these are aquatic and found in the places where moisture is found. So basically in the decaying wood, जो सड़े हुए wood लकड़ियाँ होती हैं उनमें, in moist and damp places, moist और damp places में जो लकड़ियाँ जो wood सड़ जाती है, on that it is found Phycomycetes, and some fungus are parasites on plants as well. Okay, now next is mycelium. Mycelium is the fungal body. How the fungal body, what is the type of fungal body is there in Phycomycetes? So it might be it is aseptate and cenocytic. Aseptate. First we need to know what is septate. Septate means when the fungal body in the fungal mycelium, when the cells are divided by some wall. Okay, the hyphae is divided by some wall, that is septate. But if it is aseptate, that means the fungal hypha, different cells are not divided by wall. मतलब जो fungal hyphae mycelium के अंदर जो अलग अलग hypha है, वो एक hypha और दूसरा hypha किसी wall से divided नहीं है. That is also called cenocytic. That means fungal body is not divided by any wall. The different cells are not divided by any wall. And in some kind of hypha might be there is not cell membrane. That is also a condition in the Phycomycetes. Okay. Now reproduction. Asexual and sexual both reproduction is found. Asexual reproduction basically zoospore or aplanospores, motile or non-motile. Zoospores are motile. That means the spores can move from one place to another place, and aplanospores are non-motile. That means spores are not able to move. These spores produced in sporangium. Sporangium is the spore producing body, the spore producing structure. It is a kind of spherical kind of structure in which basically the spores are produced. So in this sporangium the spores are produced. Now next is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, of course we know this is the fusion of gametes. So fusion of gametes, isogamous or anisogamous. The gametes might be isogamous, that is the similar kind of gametes, or the gametes might be anisogamous, that means the dissimilar kind of gametes are found. So the fusion of such kind of gametes might be two similar gametes fusion, might be two dissimilar kind of gametes fusion is there. So the fusion of gametes results in the formation of a structure that is called zygospores. Okay, this is the result of sexual reproduction. Now examples of Phycomycetes are Mucor, Rhizopus. Rhizopus very well known as the bread mold fungus, and Albugo. Albugo is a kind of a parasitic fungus especially found in the mustard. So Phycomycetes class done. Now moving towards the Ascomycetes class. Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes are also called sac fungi. These might be unicellular like yeast and multicellular penicillium. Okay, penicillium is very important fungi. This is used for producing antibiotics, and the first antibiotic penicillin was obtained by penicillium. These ascomycetes might be saprophytic, that is feed on the dead and decayed matter, might be decomposers which decomposes the dead and decayed matter, parasitic or coprophilous or just a minute. Yes, this is coprophilous, growing on the dung, might be parasitic or coprophilous. Okay, now if we talk about the fungal body, mycelium. Mycelium is what? Collection of hyphae mycelium. And hyphae is what? Collection of hypha. And hypha is what? Filament or thread-like structure. So fungal body, mycelium. Mycelium might be branched and septate. If we talk about phycomycetes, the mycelium was aseptate. कोई wall नहीं था hyphae के बीच में. But here it is branched as well as septate. That means some wall is found between the hyphae. Okay, then let us talk about reproduction. Asexual reproduction in ascomycetes takes place by asexual spores, that is conidia. Conidia is what? This is an asexual spore, and this conidia is produced in conidiophores. The conidia producing body is called conidiophores, and this conidia spore forms mycelium. Mycelium means fungal body, in which in asexual reproduction conidia forms fungal body. Okay, and produced in conidiophores. Now sexual reproduction. In the sexual reproduction, the sexual spores, ascospores. Sexual spores are what? Ascospores. Ascospores are produced in sac-like structure, that is asci. Sac-like structure, a kind of bag-like structure we can say, that is asci, in which the ascospores are produced. And these ascospores are basically, these ascospores are arranged and form the fruiting body called ascocarp. क्या बनाता है ये? fruiting body. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? ascocarp. Okay. Now the example of such ascomycetes are Aspergillus, Claviceps and Neurospora, in which this Neurospora is used in biochemical and genetic work. Where it is used? In the biochemical and genetic work. What? Neurospora. Okay, Neurospora is used in biochemical and genetic work, and so many members of this fungi ascomycetes are found, which are like morels and buffels. These are edible and adds delicacy in the food and all. So these two classes we have done: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes. Phycomycetes, fungi-like, algae-like fungi. Ascomycetes, sac-like fungi. Okay.